Hi, Bailey. Are you okay now?
You okay?
Hmm.
You have a cut. You have a cut.
Okay, sleep. Sleep. Bailey, sit. Bailey, sit.
These cut waters.
Bailey, sit down.
Say why do we have to say goodbye? Say why do we have to say goodbye? Say why do we have to say goodbye? Say why? Say why? Say when? And I'll meet you right there. Say when? And I'll meet you right there. Say when? And I'll meet you right there. Say when, my friend. Say when? Say where, and I'll meet you right there. Say where, and I'll meet you right there. Say where, and I'll meet you right there. Say where, my friend. Say where. Say why do we have to say goodbye? Say where, when we ever meet again. Say where, and I'll meet you right there. Say where, my friend. Say where. That's good.
Bailey. Bye-bye na ikaw sa amin, ha?
Hindi ka nasasama sa pamilya?
Pwede po bang may baby ka? Hindi po.
May parang isang
Pwede naman yun.
parang
Pero hindi lang siya sa pasok sa kung saan siya iyan.
Oh, antok. May pagkain ka.
Meron ba siyang yung pwedeng yung footprint?
Oh, dun yata. Bailey, up. Up. Wow. Ginanahan, Just wait.
Hindi laruan.
Stella.
May laruan kasi sila nga.
Tahol. Parang walang sakit, ah.
Binibitin mo daw siya.
favorite niya rin.
Gagaling.
Ako pala, kinakain. Hindi ko alam.
Ay, iyok-iyok mami.
Oh, shake up, ah. Shake up, ah. Other side. Good job. Ay! Bisit, una pa daw.
Stella.
Just wait. Don't. Gusto ng dakmain, eh. Gentle kaya, gentle. Gentle lang. Gentle. 1, 2, 3.
Sinasabi.
Di ba, baby? Ay, sasa.
Gusto na daw doon sa iyo.
Bisit. Sit down. Kaya gawan mo nga si Stella, please. Oh shit, grabe pa rin kainin. Ay, di poga. Kinain lahat, guys. Kinain lahat, oh. Wala nang natira. Sa birthday, Bailey. Oh, gentle lang, gentle. Baka makagat mo yung kamay ko.
Hindi.
Oh no.
Don't hindi kita.
May parang may tumutulog. Jake, yung...
We don't. You said anything, I'm gonna try.
Bailey.
Baby.
Sit down, sit down. Sit down. Ah. Akin na tayo. Yan, diyan ka, diyan ka. Si Stella, ha? Stella. Ay!
Too much paint!
Too much paint.
It's okay, try again. Dapat may brush. Dapat
Teka
may
lang.
brush.
Teka lang. Ito. Reset. Mabuho kasi siya. Mabaha.
Yeah, she has too hairy. Okay lang, gagawa lang si Ange ng gagawa dito. Hanggang ma-perfect na.
It's okay because we
can just outline it
Yes. Ah, ito siya.
Ay!
Sige, hayaan mo siya.
It's okay, it's only for us. True. Ay, G, bro.
Sorry, Bailey.
Parang hindi na siya pop rin.
Parang manok. Okay, sorry, Bailey.
Okay. Should do the black paint.
Yes.
Ulit, Ange.
Inside yun.
Ano lang
Kabila,
This
kabila.
makes perfect.
Epic fail!
Should have shaved her first. lang. Ay, ang dami. Ang dami.
Teka lang.
Too much.
Too much
Oh, that would have
sauce.
been nice, that first one.
You mean ketchup?
Hindi pa yan.
Is it ketchup?
Oh!
That's perfect.
Ay,
And that's my right.
anong flower?
Oo nga eh.
Oh,
Ay,
baby. Looks like
Okay,
fireworks
bye.
in the sky.
Okay na, it's not fatty.
okay, okay.
It's okay.
Ang cute sa ano eh, no? Ay, isa pa, isa pa.
Okay lang ah.
Okay lang, okay lang.
This looks like a horror movie.
Okay lang yan.
Ito sana kung hindi na.
Sorry, Bailey.
Hey.
Hindi
Pagod na
kasi...
siya.
Oo nga, taga lang.
May ano sabi may magbubuhat.
Ay, nakaupo na lang siya, nakaupo.
Sumuka yan eh.
Sophia. It's Sophia. This is about Sophia.
Hey, do.
And vlogging.
Yan, ito.
Hi.
Okay, Bailey. Lay down.
He has cancer. Skin cancer. Bro.
Ice cream?
Oh my gosh, Bailey. You won't remember your paw. Ay nga yung ano ma, napkin. Pinturahan ko na lang yung paa niya.
Ay, mami,
Oh.
Kristen.
Wipes ma, wipes.
Mommy, wipes. Angela, wipes.
Wipes daw.
Wipes. Come on, quick, quick.
Epic fail, Bailey. Stop mo kapag walang ganap. Para,
Huh?
stop mo. Yan. Okay, like this.
Let's go. Oh, happy birthday, Bailey.
Come on, Bailey. O, si Bailey dito sa harap niya kayo lahat.
Dito lang kami.
Sa baba kayo, sa baba.
Ooh, cake. Oh, yeah, balloon. Balloon. That's balloon. I love balloons. That's flies in the
Okay,
air.
sa labas lang.
Fly in the air. Yeah.
Ganito.
Fly.
Yan, sa tapat kayo ni Bailey.
Fly in the air, balloon. Oh. Ah.
Bailey, you sit down. Ikaw yung bida eh.
Gusto niya akong mag-ano.
Bing bang.
No, she won't. Or if she tries to, why not? But where's the candles though?
Third side.
Kahit isa lang, kahit isa.
Wala pala eh.
Ay, nasa table.
Kahit isang candle. Naka-lighter pa.
Lighter nasa
Rocky's getting FOMO.
Excited, baby.
Bili oh.
It's a hot day.
It's a hot day. Hey.
Happy birthday, baby.
Happy birthday, Bailey.
Aw, birthday girl's tired.
ice cream.
I can't get the lighter open.
Is this an ice cream cake? Yeah, the balloon.
Sira yata ito ba? Ay, nakalak.
Wendy, bro.
Cover it,
Sira.
cover it. Like go like this.
Lapit mo, lapit mo.
This guy still smoke.
Okay, mga smoker.
Here, hold it.
Saan yun?
Put it on the.
Ay, dinilaan na, dinilaan. Okay guys, ready?
Oh, sorry.
Putang ina, namatay.
Ready?
Okay,
Ayun, last
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bailey.
Happy birthday
To you.
Ten, 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 ten. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inumin, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy, happy, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Mwah! Sorry, di ko na kaya. Bye, Bailey. Happy birthday. Picture kayo kay Bailey.
Picture Bailey, dali. Sabi nito kasi.
Oh, picture. Oh, Stella.
Basta sasakay yan, sasakay si Miss Stella.
Oh, guys. Where's your leash?
Ayan o.
Bye na. Bailey, Stella. Stella, babay ka na. Stella, babay ka na. Wait. She needs help. Tulungan mo siya pa. Itulungan siya ni Papa. Bigyan ng tulong. Bailey. Jake! Dala kayo tubig. Bago natin siya ipasok, painumin natin siya. Abutin ka ni Papi. Go! Go! Need ng boost. Need ng boost.
Stella.
This is Stella kasi may initan dito eh. Painumin niyo na siya. Nakainom na siya.
We forgot the dog bowl with the chest dog.
Painumin niyo muna siya.
Kailangan.
Hindi, kawawa naman kung ano siya na. Oh, siya. Jake, asan yung bowl? Painumin na nasa saglit. Habang nire-ready yung ano. Bili. Nakuha siya.
Ayun no.
Asan?
Water. Hindi niya kaya dyan.
Hindi, mas mag... Oh. Hindi, huwag na magkakalat pa siya. Dito ka tayo, labas mo muna siya ulit.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
She had ice cream. So she's thirsty.
That's okay. We got lots of cookies in the room too.
Let's go, Bailey. Let's go. Good. Come on, doggy. She's tired. You have to carry her.
Billy, come on. Let's go. Billy, come on.
Try to put water again in the bowl and show her. No, in the bowl.
Where's the ball?
Jake,
Can you go get it?
go get it with.
Come on.
No. If she. Let's go. I know.
Where is it?
Oh, the very last one. Mami, bye na kay Bailey. Go na.
You wanted to be a singer,
A
right?
1, a 2. Hey, both of you.
Come on. 1, 2, 3, go.
Say why do we have to say goodbye? Say why do we have to say goodbye? Say why do we have to say goodbye? Say why, my friend. Say why. Say when. Will we ever meet again? Say when.
Sing to Bailey.
Will we ever meet again? Say when. Will we ever meet again? Say when, my friend. Say when. Say where. And I'll meet you right there. Say where. And I'll meet you right there. Say where. And I'll meet you right there. Say where, my friend. Say where. Say why. Do we have to say goodbye? Say where. Will we meet? Where did? You said where? It's when.
Okay, again. 1, 2, 3.
Say why. Do we have to say goodbye? Say why. Do we have to say goodbye? Say why. Do we have to say goodbye? Say why, my friend. Say why. Say when. And I'll meet you right there. Say when. And I'll meet you right there. Say when. And I'll meet you right there. Say when, my friend. Say when. Say where. And I'll meet you right there. Say where. And I'll meet you right there. Say where. And I'll meet you right there. Say where, my friend. Say where. Say why. Do we have to say goodbye? Say when. And I'll meet you right there. Say where. And I'll meet you right there. Say why. Say when. Say where. Okay, done.
Bravo. Bye, Bailey. Bye-bye.
Nalasag ko na siya kahapon pa. Nag-usap na kami. Kaya hindi ako pumasok eh. Dinunasan ko pa nga siya eh. Lahat ng mga kato. Kasi
I'm still holding on to everything that's dead and gone. I don't wanna say goodbye, cause this one means forever. Now you're in the sun, and 6 weeks never felt so far. Here I am alone between the heavens and the embers. Oh, it hurts so hard. For a billion different reasons, you took the best of my heart.
Oh my God. Bailey.
Love to rest in peace.